Hi, this is Milan, and with another episode of post-figure lab solving. This is the another SQL injection lab, which I'm going to show you how to solve this lab. Also, so this is called querying the database types and the person detection techniques using the SQL attacks. Okay, so in this attack, we can use the union-based SQL injection to retrieve the results, and this SQL injection is in category and filter section, and we will go through the hints, right? So this is the hints: union select ABC from duo. Okay, so let's access this lab and the solution. The one, it's okay, we don't need to take solution. Let's go to the hint, to the SQL T6. So it takes a bit time to load. Okay, so we got this lab, right? So it was not solved, right? So what I'm going to do is we need to find these things, oracle. So after we attack or inject some malicious code into the login form or any input parameters that need to be reflect version and the data types of this system. So so as we know, so I take one note. So note taking is really good things if you are in cybersecurity, penetration testing, either networking as well. So what we need to do, we need to identify. We need to identify what version, and data types. I know Oracle. So and then next, so vulnerability exists on vulnerability exist on what category? CATEGO category and filter, I guess. So vulnerability type SQLi union basis union services. Okay, so let's attack. Oh, we have this information, and then we can go to the category and filter. Let me take the fruit, food and drink. So when I so when I maximize these things, we got this parameter, right? And then I inject one, mm, you know, I forgot this name, and then I got the internal error, right? Internal software error. Then we that means vulnerability exists on that parameter. So then we take union, right? So it's already I got these things from the hints. So what I checked is ORDER over by 1, and I skip all those comments, and then it reflect, right? There is two, normally there is two row, right? Two row. So I know there is two row. Maybe it's something hidden, right? Under the hidden, I don't know. So how do I know? So we need to exploit by using order by. Order by means you can check how many columns are in the table. Let me go to, you need to do serial wise, and you know exact number, and it's still affected. Let me go 3. Yes, internal server 23. I got 23, it's my mistake. Also 3 has also internal server, so 2 is working, right? So not taking, don't forget. Row affected on order by 2. So what I have is union select what it works, right? Union select, so 2 string, right? We can choose 2 string, 1 A, B, like say AB, and that one is the same thing, which is that one. This is the same SQL query. So things is and then how we write is uh, from hints I got union select has select string, and what are the data types? Those all have right number and 2, so we can use um, no characters, right? And from where dual data types. Let's check the other one. Copy. Let's check that one. I don't think so. Union select A B from dual. Nah, it's not working. So let's go to the cheat sheet and let's go to the exploration, data exploration, version comment, yeah, whatever version, database version detection, right? Select banner from that's the query, or another we have select version from intents. Let's take that one. We can check one by one. So what I can do is here select version, uh, and here no no select version. Let's choose another one. Or my god, that should be work. Okay. Okay. Maybe it's block. Uh, let's comment out. It's still not working, right? Select no from version from select union select. Okay, that's the issue. Union it does not matter. Select panel no, and you are from from person still not working. What I can do is now, so things is let's encode these things. URL encode, URL encode. It might be work, it might need to be work. Let's try. Let's try. Okay. Person Oracle. What I think is it doesn't matter. So okay. So I can do is let me open PropSuite. Just let's wait a bit. Let's wait until it's working. What happened to my prop? Nah, it's okay. Nah, it's working. We are going to be a bit longer. Okay, now it's open. Uh, Let me go to the home first. Home. Log costa. I don't need that one. Okay, back to home. Oh no. Okay, so let me open food and drink. Let me proxy intercept on food proxy on through proxy and then I hit sign here, and then let me send to the repeater. Let me turn it off, and then category, the one that internal server request, it shows internal server request error. If I do, then internal server error drink. Okay, okay, then let's copy again this payload union and city select now from banner ಅಂತ banner ತೆಗೆದರೆ now jet set DNS and on the one error select database from version sorry oh my god, I did a lot of mistake today. Version escape those things, copy let's do this from control U, say that it should be 200 internet work. Still union select banner from FR from version. Supposed to be work, isn't it? Union select UNION union SEL select BAN banner 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 from select. Let's do that one. Okay, now it's solved. Now it's solved. So we got 200 and original session, current session, copy, and then reload it and paste it here. Why it's not working here? So here we already solved it. There, I'll show you version. Make it Oracle. See, we got version here, not that one. Category. Let's try. What I did is union, copy. Okay. Why it's not working? It's work on browser. It's work on browser, but it doesn't work here. Union select banner. Wait, here something is missing here. That's why. Union select. Okay, select banner. Okay, banner. Oh yeah. So here, if I do send it resource internally. Okay, it's work, but it should be. Mm, Let me write it here. Union slip. That's the actual query. See, it's work here. Okay. Mm, Control U. No, internal. Union select banner. Um, I remove that one. Internal banner. Oh, okay. It's work here, right? It's work. Exactly, it's work. It's work. No, I don't think. Okay, I got it here. Okay, organization. Okay, yes, now it's all. See, the things is here. The actual query is. I'll show you. That's the actual query. Actual query. That's the actual payload. Copy. Okay. So mm, drink. Right. And then I hit enter. And then it's solved. It's 100% solved. Yeah. It's 100% solved. This. Yeah. That's the way we did here. I'll show you. Here. These things I got here. Okay. Here we got value here. That's I need to do. I did it now. Thank you for your patience. Thank you. It's a long video, but it's worth it. How to do, how to learn.